This week, we are going to focus on conflict-sensitive teaching. Education is a basic human right. However, in emergency settings, children are often unable to go to school. 50% of the world's students who are not attending school live in places that are in conflict. This is a significant problem because school is extremely important in emergency settings. School gives families a familiar routine. It helps students to learn and to grow, and it gives opportunities for students to learn how to promote peace and to solve conflicts in peaceful ways. In this module, you will be learning about both conflict-sensitive teaching and about peace education. Conflict-sensitive teaching is connected to peace education. Peace education is the inclusion of specific skills such as listening, reflection, problem-solving, cooperation, and conflict resolution in order to promote peace. This can promote peace not only in our classrooms, but also in our communities and in our world. The goal of peace education is to help students learn how to work together to resolve conflicts, to honor human rights, and to respect all human beings. Conflict-sensitive teaching shares these goals too. Conflict-sensitive teaching has two parts. The first part of conflict-sensitive teaching centers on making sure what and how we are teaching does not contribute to the conflict. Sometimes school can make conflicts worse. We must look carefully at our teaching materials to make sure that they are not sharing stereotypes about a group or only showing one side of history. A stereotype is an idea about a group that is not based on reality. We must make sure our teaching and our teaching materials are not biased for or against any cultural, political, or gender group. We must call on all students in the class and give all students opportunities to participate and to be leaders. When students are working in groups, for example, we can assign each an important job. We can keep track of which students we have called on. Additionally, we can make sure all students have equal opportunities to share answers and ideas. We must try to make sure that all students are receiving a good education and that no students are left out. In the next video, we will learn about the second part of conflict-sensitive teaching, the part that is focused on peace education.